The lovely sunny day in Benidorm. Have a quick look round now, see what's happening. Few people about. Friday afternoon, lovely and sunny. Actually nobody in the pool at the moment. I'll show you the pool. There's our pool down there. See, we've got the road just outside there. I'm going to go out and do a few night videos tonight, that evening, see what's happening. So I've got the restrictions on the bar again, 12:30. We're going to see what's happening. There is no restriction for time you've got to be in now though. No curfew. Part of Spain had it back. At the moment we've got no curfew at all. Obviously the numbers have gone up in certain parts. That's why they brought the curfew back in. For some of the region, a lot of people heading down for the beach now. Be some better videos up to probably tomorrow now. Then we're going to go out and get a few this afternoon, and obviously we'll go out again tonight. Try and get enough for a weekend. Get some from the other channel, Benidorm Ball. See how we go on that. See a lot of guys walking down now. Take it they'll be heading for the beach. Nothing really too exciting. I'm surprised the pools are really quiet, to be honest. It's quite warm. Nothing better to get in the pool. It'd be nice to have a look round in the day though. Well, it's not raining. They actually cleaned the pool out over there as well. I don't know if they're expecting guests in. in quite a dirty state, that, you know, quite green. May have seen it in some of the videos. But it doesn't seem to have stained it too much. I take it they'll be filling that up again when it reopens. I think there's a few in the pool behind us. Come round now. One there. It's pretty well hid by the trees. I can see a few people over there. Normally that's pretty packed up there. A lot of people live up there, so see if I can get round and show you how many blocks are up that way. Newly refurbished one there. Terracotta one, is it? Sticks out a bit now. See, it's basically blocks all the way up. About 1, 2, about 7 or 8 blocks, I think. Just to show you a view from our balcony, really, this. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So we'll be out and do some proper videos later on. Yeah, that's the view you got to see. You can see a bit of it, a bit more around the side. Okay guys, we're going to leave the video there. One thing I did want to say just before we go, some of you guys were struggling to find the PayPal link. I've done a little video on that now. Hopefully it won't get took down. It's just basically because we're getting through your donations, when you donate, YouTube having 45% of that. So if we did it through PayPal, it would be, we'd get a lot more of the money, and we'd get a lot quicker. PayPal do take 5% for doing it, sort of thing, but that's better than 45%. But it's whichever way you want to do it. You haven't got to donate, as we always say. We appreciate it if you do. Yes, that's the reasons I put that little video up. Okay guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.